Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1013 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product that I picked up from the BoxyCharm Charm Room. So this is another blush product. Both of the products I got in the BoxyCharm Charm Room were actually blushes. But so this is from the brand Alamar Cosmetics, which I am not familiar with. I don't think I've tried out any Alamar Cosmetics products before. So I love trying out new makeup brands, and this is the Colorete Blush Trio. So I did get this in the shade medium tan, which is not really me, but it still looks like it could work. It looks really pretty actually. These are beautiful shades. So this has a retail value of $22. It's cruelty free. Now, why don't I start out with some swatches? Seen Pigmented, let's see. Whoa, well that's a very orangey blush. Like a coral, then more like a berry pink. Wow, those definitely do seem nice and pigmented, nice smooth formula. It says that there's like micro shimmer to it, but from the swatch, they're looking pretty matte. We'll have to see how it looks when I apply it to my face. But I really can't decide which shade I want to do, so I think I'm gonna mix them. I know this is pigmented, so I'm gonna try and go in with the light hand, but it's hard for me to do. Ooh, I actually really like how mixing them looks because I'll think that it looks a little bit orange, but then I'll also get that berry tone. So that is pretty. I don't know, what do you think? Is there any glow? Not really. I would say that that looks pretty matte. Like it didn't add any glow really to my complexion. It looks nice. I would just still use a highlighter on top of it. I'm gonna pick up all three shades, and since it is so pigmented, I feel like I just need, I mean I picked up a lot, but I just need that one layer to get that perfect amount of blush. I mean that might be like, for some people that might be a lot of blush. For me, I feel like it's not that much blush. But I like it. I like for just like a natural everyday shade to go in with all three. I think that mixes really nicely. But if I was doing more of like a warm tone makeup look, maybe I would go in with like the orange or cool tone look. Maybe I'd go in with more of the berry shade. I feel like this one is kind of like your neutral, could go either way. But it's great that you get some options and really big pans, and they seem really nice. I think that they look great on the skin, blend out easily, good pigment. So I'm happy with this. So I'm definitely interested in trying out more products from the brand Alamar Cosmetics. Maybe I'll get more in BoxyCharm soon, which I am anxiously waiting for my boxes to arrive. I've not been notified that they have shipped yet, but I can't wait for them to get here. I love doing my unboxing videos. So if you like watching those, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss out on those videos. But let me know if you have tried out this blush palette or any other products from the brand Alamar Cosmetics and what your thoughts are, which ones are your favorites. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.